If you want to change the Office document default format in OneDrive, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. This setting is really useful if you want new files created in OneDrive to use Microsoft Office formats like DOCX, XLSX, and PPTX, or if you prefer OpenDocument formats like ODT, ODS, and ODP. It only takes a minute, and once it's set, OneDrive will use your preferred format going forward. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open OneDrive in your web browser and sign in to your Microsoft account. Once you're in your OneDrive dashboard, look toward the top area of the page for the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click that settings icon and then click Settings from the menu that appears. This will open the main OneDrive settings panel. Now that you're inside the settings page, look for the option called Office File Formats and click it. This is where Microsoft lets you control the default format used for Office documents in OneDrive. On this page, you'll see the Office Document Default section. Here, you can choose between two main options. If you want OneDrive to create files in standard Microsoft Office formats, select Office Open XML formats. This means your documents will use familiar file types like .docx for Word, .XLSX for Excel, and .PPTX for PowerPoint. These are the most common formats and are usually the best choice if you work often with Microsoft Office apps. If you prefer open-source compatible formats, select OpenDocument formats instead. This will make OneDrive use file types like .odt, .ods, and .odp. This can be helpful if you work across different Office suites or want a format that works well outside of Microsoft Office. After you choose the format you want, your preference is usually saved automatically. In some cases, OneDrive may show a Save button, so if you see that option, go ahead and click it to make sure the change is applied. That's it. Your default Office document format in OneDrive has now been updated. This is a great setting to know about because it gives you more control over how your files are created and shared. Whether you're collaborating with coworkers, organizing school documents, or just keeping your cloud storage consistent, changing this setting can make your workflow a lot smoother. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future OneDrive and Microsoft tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.